how are you doing? I hope you're doing well wherever you are. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. So for those who are seeing me for the first time, my name is Dolphin254. Karibu sana. Thank you so much for clicking this video. And for my returning subscribers, hey, I just want to thank you all for your support. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Thank you for your likes, for your comments and your feedbacks, guys. So as you can see the background, I'm starting this video live in my African village. So I'll be taking you all the way to Africa in my village here in Kenya, and I'll be showing you our typical meal preparation routine. So stay tuned, guys. Watch this video to the end, and don't forget to check the description box because I'll also be sharing the full recipe there. So stay tuned and let's enjoy. Here in Africa, before we start our meal preparation, we usually make sure that all our dishes are clean and everything is ready. So as you can see, I'm washing my dishes, and as you can see, I'm doing it outside because here in Africa we don't wash dishes in the house. So I'm doing it outside, and after doing it, we always air dry them in a rack. So we call that rack a shtalataro. Guys, this video is gonna be late, so keep watching. After I'm done with washing the utensils, it's now time to start our meal preparation. As you can see, I'm just trying to adjust these stones because we cook from outside. And today, guys, I'm going to prepare for you ugali. I'm also going to prepare for you tede. Tedes are just small fish you are going to see for yourself. I'm also going to prepare for you aliya. So aliya is simply dried meat that I'm going to fry and add some sour milk. Are you ready, guys? Keep watching and let's learn this new recipe from Africa. In our meal preparation today, I'm going to start by preparing the small fish, the tedes. So they are fresh from the lake and they have just been dried for like 30 minutes and they have been cleaned. So as you can see, my pan is already at the meko. So I'm also making sure that the environment where I'm cooking is clean. As you can see, I'm just trying to sweep the area around the place that I'm preparing the food. So the next step, I'm going to take the oil. As you can see, I'm just using oil that was used the previous day. It's still okay, guys. You know, here in Africa, we don't throw away food. So this was oil that was used yesterday, but it's still okay to be used today. So yeah, let me just heat the oil and keep watching, guys. So as our oil is heating, you can see I'm carrying our traditional stool. This is what we use to sit on while we prepare the food for us to be so comfortable. So this is how we do it, guys. As you can see, I'm also regulating the fire. Yeah, we do it by adding, if you want the fire to be more or the heat to be more, you just add some firewood. If you want to reduce the heat, you just remove some of the firewood from the meko. So this is how we are doing it, guys. I think our oil is ready now. It's time to add our small fish. Before we add the fish into the oil, we usually make sure that we salt the fish. Like we separate the tiny ones and the at least bigger ones separately. So for the bigger ones, we always cut the outer side the way I'm doing to make sure that the salt gets inside and maybe the fish will get to cook well. So this is how we do it, and we also add salt to the fish and also to the oil before we cook. So keep watching, guys, and learn more about these tedes. Oh, before I continue, I just wanted to thank you all for your support, guys. Like, I don't take your support for granted. I love the way you've been supporting me. Continue supporting me. And if you haven't subscribed, just take 1 minute, subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. As you can see, I've added the salt to the oil and the oil is now ready. So it's now time to add our small fish. So as you can see, I've added the fish and I'm trying to deep fry them, guys. You see the oil is a bit more than the fish. So I'm trying to deep fry them, and at this point you need to be very careful not to burn your hand. So we usually use at least a very big hollow spoon, yeah? This one here. At this point you'll have to be very patient. At least you wait for the bottom part to cook and then you'll flip to the other part. So make sure you don't koroga kila saa. Cooking here in Africa is so interesting and it's so enjoyable. I don't think if we have an Africa who hates to cook, because we do it outside. There's a lot of fresh air out here and everything is just lovely. I think you can testify to that. If you are enjoying whatever I'm doing right now, kindly leave me a comment at the comment section below. Just tell me whatever you are enjoying. Tell me if it's the fish or the cooking or the firewood or the stones. Just comment down below. Tell me anything sweet, okay? Yes, at this point our fish is almost ready. I think it's ready actually. So it's time to remove the fish from the pan, and I'm going to transfer the small fish into a small sufuria. So the one that you're seeing there. So I'm just transferring there the fish so that maybe it can cool down before we start eating it. So I'm also going to prepare some kachumbari. Kachumbari is a simply salad. So we are going to eat this fish with the salad together with some veggies. So keep watching as I prepare for you our next meal. And the next meal that I'm going to prepare for you guys, ugali. Ugali is a staple food in so many countries here in Africa. Its origin being Eastern Africa. And this has always been my favorite meal, guys. Like I can eat ugali for breakfast, lunch, and supper. Is that even normal? But that is me. I really love ugali. And it's prepared from cornflour. As you can see the bag behind there, it's full of the flour. And we use this as our staple food in our village. So keep watching to learn the recipe and to see the whole procedure of preparing ugali. As you can see, the process of preparing ugali is not hard. You just have to boil water. When the water is fully boiled, you just add your corn flour and mix it the way I'm doing. Yeah, you just mix it the way I'm doing, and yeah, your ugali is ready. The whole process takes about 10 minutes. So in about 10 minutes, your ugali will be ready. And always make sure that the fire is burning so well so that all the part of the pot or the sufuria catches the fire well. So this will make the ugali to cook so well, and it will be hot. Yeah, the ugali needs to be hot. Our ugali is ready. So the next meal that I'm going to prepare for you is dried meat. We call this dried meat Aliya in our native language. So this is simply meat that has been dried. So you can dry the meat by maybe sun drying it, or you can smoke the meat. So after that the meat will be so dry. So when preparing this meat, you need to soak it prior to the cooking and boil it for some time before you fry it. And after that, as you can see, you're going to add sour milk for taste. Yeah, this meat always tastes so sweet. So next, as you can see, I'm just boiling this leftover chicken. This was chicken that we ate the previous day. It's still okay, guys, but in Africa we don't eat fresh food when we still have some leftover in the house, because we believe that it's a waste of food. So I've just boiled it and we are going to serve all this food together. Wow, we are done with cooking and it's now time to serve the food. As you can see, guys, we are at the table. I'm serving the food outside because inside the house is a bit hot. Yeah, it's during the day and it's a bit sunny. So under the tree here has a lot of fresh air and it's so cool. So we are serving the food and I'm going to serve the food. After that, I'm going to pray for the food and make sure that everyone has washed their hands. You're going to see how I do it, guys. And yes, you're going to enjoy the food, guys. So keep watching. Let's enjoy the food together. And that was our typical meal preparation routine in the village. Did you enjoy watching the video, guys? If you did, don't forget to give it a very big thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel if you're new. Until next time, bye.